Hi children, today we are going to discuss about LCM. LCM is nothing but least common multiple. Okay, let us see definition. Least common multiple. LCM of two or more numbers is the smallest number. That is a multiple of those numbers. Okay, LCM of two or more numbers is the smallest number. Okay, that is a multiple of those given numbers. Okay, in that what is the common multiple? Common multiple is nothing but when two or more numbers have the same numbers as their multiples. Those multiples are called common multiples. Okay, please try to write these two definitions. Okay, we'll take one example to understand in a better way. Here we have one example. Find the LCM of 2 and 4. Okay, how to find the LCM of 2 and 4? First of all, write the multiples of given numbers. What are the given numbers here? 2 and 4. So, write down the multiples of 2 and multiples of 4. Okay, from that take the common multiples. Okay, common multiples, and from that find out the least common multiple. Okay, let us do here. First write the multiples of 2 and 4. Okay, multiples of 2 and 4. First write down the multiples of 2 and 4. What are the multiples of 2? Already we have discussed in the last class about multiples. Okay, if you confused, please watch that video. I will give that link in the description. Okay, multiples of 2. Okay, what are the multiples of 2? Tell me. Yes, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Next, yes, 12, 14, 16, 18 and so on. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and so on. Okay, next write the multiples of 4. Okay, write down the multiples of 4. What are the multiples of 4? Tell me. Yes, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on. Okay, write the multiples of 2 and 4. Yes, completed. What are the multiples of 2? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and so on. And the multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Okay, from these two multiples write down the common multiples. What are the common multiples here? Check. Common multiples are nothing but when two or more numbers have the same numbers. Okay, see here 4 and 4. 4 is a multiple of 2 and 4 is a multiple of 4. And check here 8. 8 is a multiple of 2 and 8 is a multiple of 4. And very good, 12. Yes, 12. Here also 12 is a multiple of 4. Again 4, 16. Again here 16. 16 is a multiple of 2 and 16 is a multiple of 4. Write down the common multiples. Common multiples. If we write continuously multiples, we can get more multiples. See here 20, 24. See here 20 comes. So here we can write 20 also common multiple, right? So what are the common multiples here? Tell me. Yes, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and so on. Okay, these are the common multiples. Common multiples of 2 and 4. Common multiples of 2 and 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and so on. Okay. In these common multiples, what is the least common multiple? Tell me, what is the smallest number here? Yes, 4 is the least common multiple. Okay, so we can say LCM of 2 and 4. LCM of 2 and 4 is what? 4. Okay, LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. What we have to do here? First, whatever the given numbers are there, no? First, write down the multiples of given numbers. Here, what are the given numbers? 2 and 4. Okay, I have written multiples of 2 and multiples of 4. From that, I have written here common multiples. Okay, from that common multiples, select the least common multiple, that is LCM. LCM of given numbers, that is LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. Okay, we'll take one more example to understand in a better way. Here we have one more question. Find the LCM of 2, 5 and 10. First, write the multiples of 2, 5 and 10. Okay, multiples of 2, multiples of 5 and multiples of 10. Okay, what are the multiples of 2? Tell me. Yes, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, so on. Right? And the multiples of 5. What are the multiples of 5? Yes, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, so on. Okay. Next, write down the multiples of 10. Here 3 numbers are given. Multiples of 2 write down, multiples of 5 and write down the multiples of 10 also. Okay, what are the multiples of 10? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, so on. Okay, now write down the common multiples of 2, 5 and 10. Common multiples of 2, 5 and 10. What are the common multiples? See here. Yes, 2 is a multiple of 2 only. Okay. Next, 4 is a multiple of 2. Check again. 6 is a multiple of only 2. 10, see here. 10 is a multiple of 2 and 10 is a multiple of 5 and 10 is a multiple of 10 also. Okay. So, circle this 10. Okay. Next, check 12. Not there. 14, 16, 18. Next, yes, 20. 20 is a common multiple. Right? See, 20 is a multiple of 2, 20 is a multiple of 5 and 20 is multiple of 10 also. Okay? These are the common multiples. 10, 20 and so on. Okay? If you write continuously multiples, we can get more common multiples here. Okay, now in these common multiples 10 and 20, what is the least common multiple? Yes, 10. This is the smallest number. So the LCM of given numbers, what are the given numbers? 2, 5 and 10. LCM of 2, 5 and 10 is what? Yes, 10 only. Okay, how to find the LCM? First, whatever the given numbers are there, write down the multiples of given numbers. Okay, write down the multiples of given numbers. After writing multiples, take the common multiples from that multiples. Okay, from that common multiple, select the smallest number, that is nothing but LCM, least common multiple. Okay, hope you understand this class, children. If you like my class, please like it, share it and subscribe it.